Samsung Notebook 9 Pen Review. Editor's Rating. The pros. Vivid display, S Pen is a good stylus, lightweight. The cons. Weak design, poor keyboard, short battery life, lots of bloatware. Verdict. The Samsung Notebook 9 Pro has a vivid display and the S Pen is a great stylus, but it's hamstrung by a poor keyboard, brief battery life and a boring design. Review. What if you didn't get a backache from carrying your laptop around? What if it was nice and light and took up less space in your backpack? What would you sacrifice for that? The Samsung Notebook 9 Pro will make you answer those questions. The $1,399.99 laptop is Samsung's latest premium entry, and the company went so far as developing a lightweight material to keep it trim. It also has an 8th General Core Intel CPU and an S Pen stylus like the one you get on Samsung's smartphones. But it has lower than average battery life, a poor keyboard and a boring design that really needs to be brought up to 2018 standards, making it right exclusively those with extra money to spend and a backache at the end of the day from carrying a heavy device. Design. Samsung hasn't made any real changes to its laptop design in the last couple of years, and it shows. Despite modern parts inside, the Notebook 9 Pen shell is dated and uninspired. It's a relic of laptop design from 2009, but thinner and lighter. The silver slab has no character at all, with a plain silver look and Samsung's logo and reflective silver offset to the left. The rounded edges are a carbon copy of a MacBook. Opening the laptop reveals a 13.3-inch, 1080p display with a thicker bezel than competitors, and an island-style chiclet keyboard in the same silver color. I'll give Samsung this: its magnesium aluminum alloy, which it has dubbed Metal 12, puts the Notebook 9 Pen in a different weight class than other 2-inch 1S. The Notebook 9 Pen is 2.2 pounds, less than the Dell XPS 13, 2.8 pounds, the HP Spectre X360 13-inch, 2.9 pounds, and the Lenovo Yoga 920, 3.1 pounds. Samsung also claims that Metal 12 is durable, but it doesn't strike me as being as sturdy as any of those heavier laptops, and it feels far more like plastic than metal. There was even a little bit of give in the lid and on the bottom.